Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be talking more about the metaverse. Hit that like button so many times, for this video to be appreciated, plus subscribing and sharing this video if you feel this information is so valuable to you guys, because we want you to be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a new video like this. Now for the crypto broker, we recommend you signing up or opening up your account with Binance crypto exchange. You'll be able to trade over 600 cryptocurrencies, trading and investing in them. Now without wasting time, let me jump into my notes and show you what I have for you today. Now in today's topic I'm going to be explaining how to enter and access the metaverse. Now so many times I've been getting a lot of messages, people asking me to get a brief video about how people can enter the metaverse or how to access the metaverse. Now remember, the metaverse, I told you, this is the virtual reality or social connection of different people through their avatars, which will be accessed or used by humans. Now for you to access the metaverse, you'll be able to use the VR reality headsets, whereby you'll be able to have an avatar which will represent you, and this will be a social connection because there will be different people from different countries but connecting in a social connection. Now to fully experience the metaverse, you will need an Oculus virtual reality headset, which I've talked about. It comes with graphics chip and storage components directly integrated into the headset. Now this graphics chip and storage components, remember, it's like, if you know, this sort of like 3D glasses. Now this graphics chip will help you to see the space or teleport from one place to another. Now you'll be teleporting from one place to another using your avatar. You get it? Now those are the virtual reality headsets. One may wear a headset or AR glasses despite being an excellent general VR headset. It was created as a platform for Facebook's metaverse plans. Now one of the big companies focusing on the metaverse is Facebook, because it's also migrated from Facebook to Meta Facebook. But you'll find, for you to access the metaverse, you must have the AR, which is augmented reality glasses. But in augmented reality gadgets, there is also a smartphone for you to access the metaverse, and we also have the VR reality, virtual reality headsets. Now all this stuff, you can use it for you to access the metaverse. You can use other gadgets like your smartphone, like I've told you, or augmented reality to access it. Your smartphone displays can give you an engaging VR experience without a virtual reality headsets. Now for those who will not even afford to buy these VR glasses, because at the moment they are so tight, or they are few, they are trying to expand the supply for at least most of the countries to access to these gadgets. But remember, this project has just started some years back, but it is the fastest growing project at the moment according to internet or technology. Now at the moment also, people can access the metaverse using their smartphone. Already, like I've told you, Facebook is one of the companies which is involved in the metaverse. So many information, or so many things will be done on Facebook using your smartphone, but still you'll be one of the people participating in the metaverse. Now how to enter in the metaverse? You have to be having your smartphone, you have to be, which is one of the gadgets or an augmented reality gadgets you can use to access the metaverse. We also have what we call VR, which is the virtual reality headsets for you to access the metaverse. Now that's all we had for you guys in today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video, plus commenting down in the description. We meet in another video.